everyone. In today's lesson, we will be learning about present simple continuous. Okay, we will be discussing about the definition of present continuous, followed by the affirmative form and the negative form, the questions as well as the short answers, and lastly on the function of present continuous. Okay, moving on to the first one, the definition. The definition will be the present continuous verb. Okay, the present continuous verb tense indicates that an action or condition is happening now or happening frequently and may continue into the future. Okay, what will be the formula? Okay, formula on how to write present continuous would be present tense of the verb be plus the ing. Okay, the present tense of the verb plus ing. Okay, so let's see the affirmative form. Okay, in this verb, present tense, okay, will become play becomes playing. So when you say affirmative, I am. Okay, I am here because you're talking about yourself, your own self. Alright, so I am playing. Affirm, you affirm it. Affirm means you agree to it. You saying yes to it. Alright. Okay, so let's say you're talking about somebody else but only one person. So it becomes he, she, it is playing. Okay, those in the parentheses will be the short form of is. So he's playing, she's playing. Okay, the same thing for are and are. We are playing. Okay, you are playing, they are playing. Okay, it's just a short form of are. So when you say affirm, you're saying yes or you agreeing to it. Okay, moving on to negative form. When you say negative, you need to add not. Alright, so it becomes not playing. Okay, easy. So when you're talking about your own self, you say I am not playing. Okay, I am not playing. Okay, but when it comes to is not or isn't, okay, when you say it's not, it's already defining. Okay, it is not playing. So here you do not need to add not playing. Okay, you just say isn't playing or is not playing. Okay, so is not becomes isn't. Okay, so he isn't playing. Is he playing? Is he? So he's not playing. Okay, he's not playing. He isn't playing. So we are not playing. We aren't playing. So we, you, they are not playing, aren't playing. It's the same. Aren't and are not are the same. Okay, it's just aren't is the short form of are not. Okay, moving on to question. Okay, how I'm going to ask question? Make sure you place the subject in front of the sentence. So for example, you want to say talk about I. So am I playing? Is he, she, it playing? Why is it is? Because he, she, it is singular. It's talking about one person. Okay, if it's talking about one person, please begin your sentence by using is he. Is he playing tonight? Is she joining us tonight? Okay. If it's talking about are, okay, are means we, you, they is talking about plural. So are you playing today? Are you playing tonight? Are we going to the party this Saturday? So are means we are talking more than one. Okay, it means if we are talking about plural. Okay, then we use are. Okay, last for short answers. Okay, it's either you say short answers can be yes or no. Okay, for a answer to a question. So when you say yes, okay, when you're talking about yourself, yes, I am. Yes, I am. Yes, he, she, it is. Okay, is if you're talking about one person. Yes, we, you, they are. Okay, yes, we are. Yes, we are going for the party this weekend. Okay, yes, they are. Okay, so this is how you're gonna answer. How about no? Okay, when you say no, I'm not. No, I'm not going to school today. No, I'm not going to the party this weekend. Okay, no, he, she, it isn't. Okay, he, she, it isn't. Alright, isn't. Isn't means that it's not. Alright, so but we use isn't for singular when you're talking about one person. Aren't when we're talking more than one person. We, you, they aren't going for the party this weekend. Okay, let's move on to the why we use present continuous for, the functions. Okay, why we use present continuous for. Okay, so first one will be actions that are in progress. Okay, it is progressing or around the time of speaking. So let's see the example. We are watching a DVD about elephants. We are watching a DVD about elephants. So it can be that they had just switched on the DVD. Okay, so when they are talking, when they are watching, this conversation happens. So we can say it's either progressing or it is around the time of speaking. Okay, moving on to the second one. That action is a temporary action. So the example sentence, my cousin is staying with us this weekend. Action that are temporary means that it's not gonna last long. It's just for a short term, short while. So my cousin is staying with us this weekend. Is she staying permanently with them? No, she is just staying with them for this particular weekend. So that action is only temporary. Okay, moving on to the third one. Situations that are changing or developing in the present. It's either changing or developing in the present. So for example, family members are living further and further away from each other. So this is how it is. You can see the verb is changing or it's either the verb is developing. Okay, you can see it means that before this the family members are living together or family members are living near to each other, but as day passes by, family members are living further and further away from each other. It means that the verb is changing or developing to become another thing. Okay. The fourth one will become an habit, annoying habit. Okay. So when you want to talk present continuous regarding an annoying habit, you are going to often use the word always, continually, constantly, and forever. So for example, my brother is forever complaining about his homework. Okay. Is forever complaining. Okay. He is always eating sweets. He is always eating ice cream. Okay, so it's an annoying habit. Okay, you can annoying habit or so for example, nail biting. He is continually nail biting his fingernails. So constantly, he is constantly screaming his lungs out. Okay, so this is what we say annoying habit. And the last one, we're talking about the plans and arrangements, but for the future. So for example, we are visiting my aunt this Saturday. Has this happened? No, it has not happened yet, but it's just planned. Okay, they are planning, it's just arrangements for the future. We are visiting my aunt this Saturday. Okay, so we have, these will be the functions of present continuous. Okay, so for additional help, okay, in present continuous, the spelling is just you need to make from the root word and add an ing. So make happens making. Okay, so she is making a dish for tonight's party. Or swim becomes swimming. And study becomes studying. Okay, she is studying for her exam next week.